Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Bratislava, Slovakia, and I'm at the castle, Bratislava Castle, and you can see the tower up there. Can you see that tower? And you can see the steps and climbing it and everything else. So it looks like it's quite expansive, and it looks like they're getting ready for a concert or some kind of show or something, but the climb up is gonna be a little bit of work. Yikes, yikes. Okay, well, no time dawdling, huh? Let's do it. Oh, and here's what the grounds look like, which is pretty amazing. So here's where I'm at right here. I'm climbing up these stairs, and that's gonna get me up here. And here's the castle and the grounds. And I read somewhere that the castle wasn't really all that exciting, but the grounds were absolutely amazing. So I guess we're gonna go see the grounds and the outside of the castle. Bye. Okay, well, almost made it. Okay. Phew. Phew. And here's the castle. Pretty amazing. Let me show you the view, if there's one. Oh, there's the Danube. And there's the Space Needle up there, their space UFO building. And more of the Danube. Wow. Pretty amazing castle. Svatopluk. Svatopluk? I think that's right. Sveto? 846 to 894. You know, and there's the door's open. You know what that means to Eric. It means we go stick our head in. Pretty amazing. Huge place. And you can see it from miles and miles and miles away. Well, I guess I'm going inside. Ooh. Out. Out. Echoes. I guess maybe this is where you buy tickets. I guess I can stick my head in there and just see what it looks like, huh? And then we'll walk around and do the gardens. What does this say? Chad Museum, oh, museum entry. Opening hours, blah, blah, blah. Go this way. Camera with no flash. Is this the entrance?
Yes, it is, but you need a ticket.
How much is it?
13 euros.
13 euros. Where do you get the tickets?
Behind the gate towards.
Behind the gate? Like not down the hill?
No, like behind the gate.
Okay, thank you. 13 euros, and that's what the guy said on the website I found. He said it wasn't worth the 13 euros. Anyway, I'm going to the garden. It's been a long day. Bye, everybody. Okay, so I'm skipping the insides. And I'm gonna go around here and see what the gardens and the grounds and all that stuff looks like. I wonder what the view looks like over this edge. It is a gorgeous castle from the outside. Amazing. Wow, the blue skies are amazing too, huh? It looks like these were ruins from an old church or something. It looks like it. Huh. Cool. And the castle's pretty amazing. And that blue sky is pretty amazing. It's hard to get to see all three of those guys. Let me get a picture. Cool. Oh, I hope the gate's open. Yes, okay, phew. Phew. Tourist Central. Wow. Amazing. I'm going to climb up these steps so we can get an above view. Wow. Amazing. Wow. Wow, wow. All right, well, let's walk down to the grounds and see what it looks like. Gorgeous flowers. Gorgeous hedges too. And look at the wall over here. Look how high that wall is. I mean, that's like, that building in front of me is probably 3-4 stories. That wall is probably 40 feet tall. Wow. What beautiful grounds, you know? Can you imagine living here? Playing here? Growing up here? Yeah, it might not have been all that fun, huh? been a long day. Long, long day. Let's go look at this wall. Cute little statues. Cute little grass. I think I'm whooped today. Let's stick my hand right through that hole. Huh. Boy, it really is gorgeous. I was thinking this looked like a hide-and-go-seek hedge, but maybe it is. Huh. Wow. Does that go through? Oh, it's like a little cubby hole you could hide in. Wow, okay. Well, that's the end of here. Let me show you what it looks like from the back. What do you think? Is that spectacular? It's pretty amazing in my book, everybody. Wow, wow. And you know what? I'm going to leave you right there. Thanks for coming along with me on this wonderful day and seeing Bratislava, Slovakia. Cool. Outstanding. Bye, everybody.